This is a video on how to replace the rear shocks on a 2007 and newer Toyota Tundra. It's pretty simple. You don't have to raise the truck. This is a factory suspension, factory shocks. You'll just need a crescent wrench, a number 17 wrench, number 17 socket, and breaker bar. First, I started up here. You just put the crescent wrench on the top of the I don't know what you would call it, bolt that's sticking past the nut, and while that's on there, you use your other hand to use your 17 wrench to break this loose. You'll probably want to spray some stuff on there. Once you get that loosened, come down here. I already took off the bolt, but this is a 17 as well. This is where I had to use the breaker bar. Loosened it. I haven't pushed it out yet all the way, but I'm waiting to take off the top one first. Come up here, loosen that. And remember how the bushing and all this little hardware stuff goes onto your new shock. All right, so I think you're gonna have to pull the shock downward, and then that'll give you space to pull out the bushing and hardware. Down here, remove this bottom bolt. Boom, the shock just falls straight out. My brother got a 2016 and this one's a 2008. So he lifted his 2016 and I took his factory shocks because they had like 100 miles on them. And I thought they would fit a 2008, but the part numbers are different. And they look different also up here. I thought I googled it and they showed the same part number for all 2008 and newer Tundras, so I'm gonna have to research this a little more and see if it fits. But reassembly is pretty much the same as how you took it off. All right, good luck with your project.